Incredible moments caught on camera, real, unscripted, and sometimes unbelievable. From small boats braving big waves to quick-thinking captains avoiding disaster, these are the moments that show how unpredictable life on the water can be. Take a deep breath, and let's begin. Oh my God, their boat was swept right over the waterfall. Thankfully, both men escaped safely, a miracle in the face of danger. Oh no, at this speed, it's clear he's completely lost control of the steering. After this docking attempt, it looks like the bow might need some serious repair work. Precision always matters when maneuvering near the dock. Tragedy struck when the Dutch barge Courage sank on the river wall after breaking apart mid-transport, a reminder of how critical maintenance and weight balance are for heavy vessels. Why didn't the two captains steer away before the barge and ship collided? Perhaps fatigue played a part. Alertness is every sailor's best defense. After this experience, the group will surely remember, keep a safe distance from the waves when heading out to sea. Maybe next time this young woman should wait until the boat is already in the water, or simply pick a bigger one to climb aboard safely. Do you think if this guy added wings to his boat, he could actually make it fly? That would be one wild upgrade.
I'm on the mountain with my cousin Wilhelm, who is going to do it.
Yeah, Wilhelm, you're killing it!
Instead of putting in so much effort, maybe she should just hit the throttle. Sometimes, power beats patience. Today, the sea didn't just bring waves, it delivered an entire forest of drifting logs, major damage, but luckily, no one was hurt. When limits are ignored, even steel can break and machines can fail. Precision and calculation, that's what keeps every great structure safe. Looks like this guy's jet ski race has come to an unexpected stop. Always keep an eye on the waves ahead. One miscalculation in weight and everything toppled. The crane tipped over in an instant, a chilling lesson in precision and safety. Just when it seemed doomed, the story flipped. The crane was lifted back upright and the crowd cheered like they were watching a movie. A ferry in the Canary Islands lost power and crashed straight into the dock, an action movie scene with a lucky ending, wet decks, but no injuries. Unbelievable. This guy's gliding across the water like he's relaxing on a surfboard, flawless form. It seems he's trying to use the propeller's thrust to escape the sandbar, hopefully without damaging the engine. Would you trust yourself to sit on a boat piloted by this guy? Hopefully, one day he'll truly master his boat, maybe even make it glide just above the water like a dream. Do you think the captain made a mistake steering his small boat between that massive cargo ship and the dock? Luckily, no one was injured in this risky move. The sea was wide open. So how did the cargo ship's captain manage to crash into a stationary vessel? Perhaps someone wasn't at the helm when they should have been. That wave soaked them from head to toe. Looks like they'll need a wardrobe change. Next time, it's better to keep a safe distance from the surf. Unbelievable. These two guys rolled straight into the ocean like flying saucers launched from the beach. Maybe next time he'll ease up on the throttle when docking his jet ski. This time it might cost him a small fortune in repairs. Next time he should probably bring his jet ski to shore a little more gently, both for his wallet and his pride. A quiet day of sunbathing turned into a tech demo as a hovercraft zoomed past the beach, kicking up sand and leaving everyone stunned. One misplaced burst of acceleration sent the boat charging onto the shore. Sand, flying people, scattering, and chaos all around the dock.
Hierdie is spesiaal vir Lourens. Ons is hier by Ramsgate gesê. Oh, die boot gaan val. Yes, hierdie ou is gelukkig.
Oh my God, this is the launch of a brand new vessel. Unfortunately, it might be heading straight back to the shipyard for repairs. It seems these two girls are true speed lovers. Let's hope they've got enough experience to handle their boat safely at that pace. This might just be the fastest way to sink a jet ski. The truck almost delivered its package straight to the police. Quick reflexes prevented this from turning into a real disaster. A tense moment in a snowstorm, the truck lost control while overtaking and slammed into the embankment. Thankfully, the driver escaped unharmed. This captain definitely has a unique way of waking up his friend. Nothing like a blast of seawater to start the day. An unexpected lesson reminding us of the power and responsibility that come with navigating rivers and open water. That's not a mushroom sprouting from the ground. It's the USS Ohio submarine emerging through the frozen sea. A rare and powerful sight.
Dat is wel Alexa.
Sparks flew when a car crashed into a power pole in Los Angeles. Thankfully, no one was hurt. Always stay alert. Danger can appear in an instant on the road. A rough landing, the helicopter's rotor clipped a rooftop, sending debris flying. Fortunately, everyone walked away safely. The airplane looks like it's floating mid-air, but it's just an optical illusion playing tricks on the eye. It seems the girl and her partner weren't quite in sync, and now she'll definitely need a dry change of clothes. Do you think this is the first time these two have handled a jet ski? Judging by that move, probably yes. She started strong gliding smoothly off the shore, but that landing could use some serious practice. A heart-stopping moment, a train in Canyon, Texas slammed into a stuck semi-truck, the impact echoing for miles. In Luling, Texas, another collision, a truck tried to beat the train and lost. A chilling reminder, never race the rails. A huge Arctic landslide dragged entire buildings into the sea, a haunting example of how fragile human structures are before the power of nature. Just a split second from disaster. A worker narrowly escaped when live wires sparked during a storm in New Jersey. A sharp reminder that electricity and severe weather never mix safely. With steering skills like that, it's no surprise his boat sank. Maybe next time he'll take it slower.
Oh! No! No!
It looks like this was his first time at the helm, and the boat didn't survive to tell the tale. This guy's sense of balance is incredible, flipping perfectly on his surfboard like a pro. Did he really just slide his boat over that log? That's some next-level skill and precision. The glass window exploded into shards without warning, a shocking sight. Have you ever experienced something like that before? A terrifying accident nearly turned tragic. A three-wheeler crashed into a house, but thankfully no one, not even the cat, was hurt. A sudden lane change caused a light fender bender. Fortunately, no one was hurt. Drive calm, stay alert. There's always that one friend who'll pull you through tough times, literally. His nap was rudely interrupted by a speeding boat that created a wave strong enough to wake anyone up.
Stay there, keep forward.
Someone should tell these two guys their boat wasn't built for mountain climbing.
He should have, like I said months ago, whether or not, something else. Oh my God!
A speeding truck slammed into a gas station canopy in La Plata, an unbelievable sight, but miraculously everyone escaped unharmed.
Oh. No. It's like, look, she's going mad slow, and then all of a sudden, meow.
Wait, guess at 14.
A rare sight near Hampton, a small plane plunged into the sea, sending water spraying high into the air. Thankfully, everyone on board survived. Someone should tell this guy that snowboards aren't meant for the ocean. These two clearly misjudged the wave their jet ski didn't make it over, and everything ended right back where it started. He told his friend he'd conquer the waterfall easily, but reality had other plans. A terrifying derailment in Springfield, Ohio. The Norfolk Southern train shook violently, sending shockwaves through the entire neighborhood. A forced dive. The excavator was working just fine until it decided to take an unscheduled bath. Equal parts shocking and hilarious. Oh no. That priceless moment when the wine bottle slips from your hand and hits the floor, that sound hurts the wallet more than the ears. A heart-stopping scene during a 7.9 magnitude earthquake. Doctors stayed calm and held the patient steady on the operating table.
Wow, look at it go.
The sky over
Holy.
Fairbanks lit up in neon green, a breathtaking
Wow,
northern
right
lights
up.
display that felt
Wow.
almost otherworldly. A magical night in Manitoba, a quiet home glowing beneath the colorful auroras, nature's artistry on full display. A rare bee catfish species amazed scientists with its strange ability to climb like a land animal, proof that nature never stops surprising us. Two playful dogs jumping in the snow, a pure, joyful moment that makes winter feel alive again. Heavy rain caused a section of road in Peru to collapse thanks to quick action workers evacuated just in time. A clear reminder to stay alert during extreme weather.
Airline is on fire. It's about to fall. It's on fire, about to fall on your building.
A woman and her child narrowly escaped moments before a manhole explosion in northern New York, one step away from tragedy and a powerful lesson in awareness. Could this be a miniature version of the Titanic? Thankfully, everyone escaped safely as the vessel went under. Have you ever wondered why this guy didn't just steer around the sandbar? Instead, he powered straight over it like he was testing the boat's limits. This man has truly mastered the art of navigating through waves taller than his own vessel, an impressive display of control and experience on the water. Captured on camera in just a split second, a powerful gust of wind ripped the water heater right off the rooftop. Nature's force is never to be underestimated. Just one careless step on icy ground can lead to a painful fall. Stay safe and move carefully when walking on snow or ice. After a brutal winter storm, Port Stanley's pier transformed into a gallery of ice sculptures, proof that nature is the greatest artist. The auroras over Maine shimmered like silk across the night sky, a breathtaking reminder of Earth's beauty. Surprise, a farm horse showed off its musical side, strumming a guitar like a true performer. Patience at its purest, this little chicken waits calmly for its turn on the swing, a moment both cute and oddly admirable. What a journey full of close calls, funny mishaps, and pure luck. These incredible moments caught on camera remind us to stay alert, stay humble, and always respect the power of nature. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time with more amazing moments from the water.